Hi, I'm HELKE Ramos. I'm here to be talking about sustainable lifestyle. Thank you for being here with me, for subscribing to the channel, for going through this journey with me, and we can build our community of people that believes in sustainability, and that's a really good way for us to thrive. Okay, I received a question in my WhatsApp. Was a friend of mine. He asked me, how do you buy your products? What do you think about it? And I decided to share this also with you because it's not an easy question, not even an easy answer, because I think about so much stuff when I'm doing it, but after a while it comes kind of natural. But I'm gonna try to simplify for you. So what I have, one here, I have my health. I have to take care of my health. Then I have my beliefs, the things that I believe that's the correct way of doing and that I feel good doing. And so I have this part. And the other part is what I can pay for. I cannot pay for everything, and I cannot have everything. So I have to be choosy also about that. So about my health, I have some issues. I have a digestion problem, and that makes me intolerant for dairy, and I cannot eat no dairy products. It's not only because of lactose, but it's also about the protein, that's casein. And I'm also intolerant for pesticides. So I have this really big important issue in my life. So this is first thing that I have to think. Then my beliefs. I believe that we humans are part of the animal kingdom. So I don't believe in harming no animals, even worse, humans. So everything that's animal friendly, social responsible, kind of fair trade and this kind of things, I really go into it, okay? And about the pesticides and the dairy, so I have that. And then what I can pay, if it's like 10 times the price of something that a regular would be, or if buying something that's local is too much expensive, or I have if I can buy less and be the same price, I'm okay. But like sometimes I can't, not even I'm not okay, or I can't buy those things, okay? So how I'm doing, what I use for helping me with that, certifications. We have a lot of certifications. We have certifications like the part of health. I look for dairy-free. I look for organics. I look for cruelty-free, vegan, and all that. That helps me in my health. For my beliefs, I continue. I also, if it's vegan, it's better for me. If it has this label, the certifications for fair trade, I feel better about myself because I'm doing something that I'm not harming another human. Or if they give money for NGOs and this kind of stuff, makes me feel better also. And you have all these certifications and sustainable certifications. And the part of what I have to pay for it, I just look for the best place to buy. Here we have supermarkets that have those products and regular ones, so I kind of compare them. Sometimes I can pay the same price, just regulating the amount. Like I can buy less and pay the same price for something that has more. Or what else? Look for different supermarkets, because you can have good products in regular supermarkets. Sometimes if you go local, you have a better price, a better deal. You just have to look for it. It's not that easy, but you get used to it. It's not so complicated, okay? And so, and things that are kind of basic, also paper. Like I buy my tissue paper, toilet paper, that are all 100% from recycled sources. So I know they're not cutting trees and using new paper for doing those. something that's always think about it. And about chocolate that I know that's an industry that have a lot of slavery, I really try to buy those chocolates that are fair trade, that I know are they're locally made and this kind of stuff. So I'll be fine with that and going with the journey. So if you want to know a special product, cleaning products or cosmetics, oh my gosh, cosmetics, a lot of finding cruelty-free cosmetics. So if you want to ask me something about any product that I use and how I find them, if I liked it or not, just put it here in the comments. I will answer you. Or if something that everybody wants to know, I'll make a video especially for that. And we're going with this journey, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I'm enjoying that. That's really good. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, the little bell and all that, that I know you all know that. But thank you. And yes, because I was looking for, I just discovered a new store that have so many new products that I was amazing. Oh, another stuff that I forgot to say is about if you can buy in bulks, you know, you take your jar and this kind of stuff and you have less package, because this is the other thing that's really important, packaging. But this will need a whole new video because I have to talk a lot about packaging, because normally packaging is not sustainable at all. If you go to, you can buy here in a store, you can buy a tangerine that it doesn't have the peel but has a plastic over it. What's that? Or cut it apple in a plastic. It's organic but it's in the plastic bag. Like the apple already has their package, is their peel, or the tangerine or the orange. So why do we take their natural package to put a plastic one? So I really don't agree with that, but we're gonna be talking a whole video about that, because I'm really passionate about that, and I really like designers to step up and come to join this journey. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.